Welcome. In front of me is a Fitbit Versa 4, and today I will go over an unboxing of this smartwatch. So anyway, let's just get straight into it. So there we go, that's the unboxing. Not much more to really say about this. One thing that I did see right now, right off the bat, is the straps. Number one, the feel of this silicone is not necessarily as what I would consider high quality feeling as some other watches. And number two, the part that clips into the watch itself is made out of plastic. Obviously plastic tends to degrade, and clipping it in and out might just kind of damage it to the point that it won't hold the strap all that well. It doesn't look like it has much to grip on all together. This looks like it's the part right here, and that is a fairly, if I can get focused, that is a fairly small portion to grip onto. And obviously it's fairly thin, so it might just kind of get damaged, and yeah, it might not really hold the actual strap all that well, so you might need to replace these, which probably wouldn't be something that anybody's looking forward to. So there we go. Now, anyway, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.